I'm going to show you how to make a digital wallet for cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and I'll show you the quickest way to fund it. And also I'll go over some beginner things with exchanges and fees, gas fees, and stuff like that. So first you're going to want to download the wallet. My preferred choice is Trust Wallet. MetaMask is another one. You can watch other videos on how to do MetaMask wallets and the like. So you open up your Trust Wallet and create a new wallet, and it's going to go over a disclaimer. If you lose the 12 words that they're about to give me, your 12 words, it's equivalent to losing your wallet. Trust Wallet does not know what these words are. They could never help you recover these words. So write them down, put them in a fireproof safe, do whatever you need to do to keep these words safe. And also never, ever give these words to anybody. So just to get this going real quick, I'll copy them and I'll just paste them here so that I can log in here, continue, and now I have to put them in Alpha Story, Teach, Couch, Crack. Depend, Math, Pet, Like, Lounge. And continue. We now have a digital wallet. Okay, so right away you'll have a few tokens in your wallet, token names. You'll want to add some more, so go to the top right corner and you can toggle ones on and off. A good one to have on for my project in particular is going to be BUSD. Let's just search it. And we're going to go for the BEP20, the second one down, BEP20, BUSD. Turn that one on, hit done, and now you'll see that as well in this list. I'll also show you how to add a token. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Add custom token. You'll have to do this with my token. The network will be Smart Chain. And you'll paste my address, you'll put in my name, the symbol and the decimals. All of that information will be given to you when we have it so that you can do it yourself. And then hit save, and you won't see an icon for it like these, but it will pop up right here. So this is your wallet to look at NFTs. You can click on the NFT buttons and they'll be right there. So if you are wanting to send or receive a specific token like a Smart Chain, we'll go for BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Click on the icon and you've copied your address. Now these addresses are very long. You'll always want to copy and paste them. You'll never want to, look how many digits, and they are unique obviously, so you'll never want to try to type that in. You get one digit wrong, you will lose your money if you're trying to transfer it, for example. So if you want to receive it, you can give people that QR code. They can scan it, they can send you money, you can copy it, you can share it. But if you want to send it, you need their address and you could paste it. I've just pasted my own just now, and I can type in how much BNB, Binance Smart Chain, I want to send them or whatnot. I can also send myself my multiple different wallets, send it to myself. Yeah, if you just click on it, there's your address. So that is going to be how you can ask others for money or look up the transactions and activities that are associated with your wallet. To purchase initial funds, the easiest, quickest way to do it is right here from Trust Wallet. The top right there, the buy button. So this is your wallet. You can settings. Let's go to settings. You can rename your wallet if you'd like. You can make 10 different wallets if you'd like. This is important. Go to security. Always make sure your app is locked. Well, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to type in my code. When you do that, you'll also want to turn on transaction signing, and that will also give you an extra bit of security. Okay, now this middle button right here, Wallet Connect, we'll come back to that later. You'll need that a little bit later to connect to other websites to make transactions. So Other websites, what am I talking about? Well, let's talk about exchanges. A centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange is what you'll hear a lot. So decentralized exchange is DEX for short, but a centralized exchange is something like Binance.us or Coinbase. Here at centralized exchanges, it's a company that allows certain pairs to be traded. For example, you'll have all of these, see Bitcoin in US dollar, Ether in US dollar, Mana US dollar, BNB US dollar. Centralized exchanges only allow you to trade these specific pairs, but the fees are very cheap to make trades. Excuse me, to make trades on these exchanges, and they also don't allow smart contract rewards though, so that's, we'll get into that a little bit later. So it has its positives, it has its negatives, it depends on what you're trying to do. I personally like decentralized exchanges or dexes. Let's go onto a dex and I'll show you what that looks like. Always make sure for the Binance Smart Chain, one of the biggest ones is Pancake Swap. You'll find a lot of weird names because of the generation in the crypto world. Pancake Swap, always make sure you're on the right website. If you're on the wrong one, your money can be cleaned out of your wallet. So always look for things like the little lock button and like their phishing warning up top. So if we hit, say, trade now, I can trade any of those tokens that they carry and even add my own tokens. Search name or paste address there. I can add a token, which you'll have to do in the future with mine. That's the benefit of decentralized exchanges. It didn't need a pair. You can trade whatever for whatever. They'll make the trades behind the scenes for you. It's all done via smart contracts, all code. And it all happens behind the scenes for you. They'll sell yours for something, say BNB. They'll sell your BUSD for BNB and then use your BNB to trade for American Dream or a Crew coin in the future, which that's what you're going to be coming here for anyway, right? So connect your wallet. You hit that. You'll want to hit Wallet Connect. Don't hit Trust Wallet. It's got some bugs in it and there's some things that they're figuring out. Wallet Connect and then hit Trust. And then Trust Wallet's going to come back and ask you to confirm. Yes, connect. Now I'm connected and I can go. Now I'm connected and I can go back to here and I don't have any money in it because this is a bogus account I just made. You guys even know what my password or my 12 words are. But now those transactions can be made. If you go up to settings here, you'll see weird words like GWEI and slippage. GWEI is the GWEI. GWEI is basically like if you had $1, which is equivalent to 100 cents. The 100 cents, that's kind of like what GWEI is. It's the crypto in its smallest fraction. And those are how gas fees are paid. Whenever your transaction is verified on the blockchain, there's actual computers, miners, that are verifying those transactions. They have to get paid somehow. So those fees go to them. They're called gas fees. The Binance Smart Chain has really good gas fees. Sometimes they're as cheap as 30 cents. Other times they're up to $3. Ethereum, they're between $30 and $150. And they're working on that. Ethereum 2.0 will be coming out, and hopefully that lowers it. But that's what the GWEI is. So I always keep it on standard. I don't need to pay extra to get front listed slippage. Slippage, you'll have to adjust that manually for a lot of tokens. And so say you go to 15, now the slippage is set to 15%. What that means is whenever you buy multiple tokens, 100,000, a million, a billion, each token will be slightly more expensive than the previous token because you're depleting the supply of tokens, which increases the supply and demand, and everyone will be slightly more expensive. you set that slippage to a certain percentage, basically saying, I don't want it to go past this percentage. Because of what the liquidity pool looks like. So that's what that slippage is for. Lots of weird words. You can definitely watch more videos on this stuff to understand more about that. So okay, when you're done, this is a good habit. When you're done, when connected to a website like PancakeSwap or Binance.us, you'll want to cancel the connection. So wallet connect, and see how this connection is here. Click on it and disconnect. You'll always want to make sure, and then I'll verify here that it's, oh, yep, it was disconnected. You'll always want to make sure you're disconnected. If you leave your wallet connected, you can possibly get hacked. You don't want to leave your wallet connected ever. And then, as added protection, we won't go into it now, but BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain Scan. This is where you can look up any transaction. If you go up to the hamburger menu and click on more, and then click on token approvals, you can actually revoke any address that may have had access to your account. You can revoke them. I don't know if, okay, yeah, so PancakeSwap didn't even show up here. But after a while, you'll get some that still have permission to access your tokens, even though they can't physically access them. I shouldn't say physically. They can't access them unless you're connected, but as soon as you're connected, they have immediate access because you've granted it in the future. If you come here, you can revoke those, and it's about 12 cents per revoke, but you very rarely ever have to do that. So that is a digital wallet, and let me look over my notes. Adding tokens, wallet address. Always make sure you copy and paste the address. Never, ever, ever give your password, your 12 word phrase to anyone. There's so many scams in the crypto sphere. It's ridiculous, and that's why there's a bad reputation. Just know that you'll never, ever give that to anybody. All right, that's it for now. I'll make another video soon about more ways to stay safe.